Hi everyone, it's Civil Engineering Tutorials. So in this video, I'll create the front elevation of building in AutoCAD. So don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon to never miss any updates. So let's get started. So this is the ground floor plan and this is the first floor plan. So I've already created these in my previous video. And now I'll create the front elevation of this ground floor plan first. So this building is a multi-story building. So today I'll create the front elevation of this ground floor plan, and in my next video I'll create the multi-story front elevation. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the ground floor plan. So I'll use line command first. Take line command, L enter. Now specify first point here and second point here. Now consider this line as ground level. I'll copy the text. If you want to create a new text, you can. This is ground level, GL. Okay. Now GL to PL means ground level to plinth level height. Here I am taking 2 feet and 6 inch. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Now select the ground level and click on upward direction. Now this is the plinth level. Now I'll copy this and rename this as plinth level. If you want to create a new text, you can, but I don't want to waste my time by creating new text. So now this is 2 feet and 6 inch ground level to plinth level height. Okay. Now see, this is the portico. Okay. Move this text. So ground level to plinth level is 2 feet and 6 inch. So we need to add steps here on plan. Okay. We can see only treads on plan. A riser we can see on front elevation. Okay. As ground level to plinth level height, we have taken 2 feet and 6 inch. So here we have to add steps here. Okay. We need to add steps here. So here I'll copy the text. Okay, I'll show you. Now this is total tread. Total tread is 3 feet. Okay. Total tread is 3 feet. I'm taking total tread 3 feet on plan. Okay. Ground level to plinth level height is 2 feet and 6 inch. So we need to add steps. Okay. So length of one tread is 9 inch. Okay. Now how to calculate number of rise and treads? You can see my previous video. Procedure is completely same. Okay. Or this calculation I will provide another video later. Okay. Now length of one rise is 6 inch. Okay. This is desired rise. Okay. Now, so how to calculate number of rise in treads? You can see my previous video. The number of treads 4 numbers. Okay. The number of rise, number of tread plus 1. So 5 numbers. Okay. So total tread is 3 feet. Length of one tread is 9 inch. Length of one rise is 6 inch. Desired unit rise 6 inch. Number of treads 4 numbers and number of riser is 4 treads plus 1. Number of treads plus 1 5 numbers. Okay. 9 inch. Okay. Length of one rise 6 inch. Number of treads 4 numbers. Number of riser 5 numbers. Okay. So this calculation I'll provide another video, but You can also see my previous video how to calculate number of rise and treads. Same procedure. Okay. So we can see tread on plan, and in front elevation we can see the riser. Okay, so I'll copy this. To here. So I am showing this very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. Okay. So total tread is 3 feet. So give offset distance 3 feet. Okay. Select this line and click here. Now this distance here to here, here to here, this is 3 feet. 3 feet is total tread. Okay. Now extend. Select this line, extend this line and extend this line towards the selected line. Okay. Now I'll break from here to here, also break from this point to this point. Okay. Now I'll extend, again select this line and extend this line and this line. Now change the line type. So select, change and make this bilayer or continuous. Okay. Now I'll create the tread. This is 3 feet. Okay. So length of one tread is 9 inch and number of treads are 4 numbers. So length is 9 inch. So give offset. Okay, front elevation we can see the riser and treads we can see on plan. So give offset distance 9 inch. Okay, now select, click, this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So we have 4 numbers of treads on plan. You can see we have created the steps. These are the steps. Okay, 4 numbers of treads. Okay, so this is here to here, this is 9 inch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers of steps or 4 numbers of treads we have already created. Now here we'll create the riser. Okay, on front elevation. Okay, alright. So now I'll create the front elevation. So take Excel. Excel means construction line. Now I need vertical line. So vertical line, now click here. We can see this wall. Okay, we can't see the thickness here. Okay, we can see only this side. We can't see the thickness. Now you can see this wall. Okay, here we can see the thickness here. Okay, as there is no wall, so we can see the thickness. Okay, this is the column. We can see the thickness of this column as there is no wall. Now we can see this column. We can see this wall. Now we can see this wall. Okay, so I'll create walls first. So now I'll create the roof slab. First, plinth projection. Okay, so give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line, click to this side. Select this line and click to this side. Now trim extra lines. This is the plinth projection. Trim this. Trim this. Now again I want to trim this. So trim this and trim all these extra lines. Alright. So this is the plinth projection. This is plinth level. So plinth projection is 6 inch. Here to here, this is 6 inch plinth projection. Now this is ground level to plinth level height 2 feet and 6 inch. Alright, this side also, this is 6 inch plinth projection. Okay, now I'll create the roof slab. Okay, so from plinth level to roof slab we are taking 10 feet and 6 inch. So give offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. So select this line and click on upward direction. Okay, now roof slab thickness is 4 inch. So again give offset distance 4 inch. Now select this and click on upward direction. Okay, now trim all the extra lines. Trim this. Okay, now close both the ends. Close here and close this side. Okay, this is also 6 inch. Okay, roof slab projection 6 inch. Okay, this side also roof slab projection. Okay, 6 inch. So building height we have taken 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay, now these are two columns or pillars. Here we can see the charger projection also. This window, this ventilator, this side ventilator and this window with charger we can see on front elevation. Okay, so change the layers. I'll keep window layer as current layer. Now take Excel. Now vertical line. Okay, so I'll create window first. So click here and click here. Now click here and click here. This is the ventilator. This ventilator. Now click on this charger projection also, and this side charger projection. Alright. So now I'll create the lintel slab. Okay. So lintel slab is 7 feet from plinth level. So give offset distance 7 feet. Now select the plinth level and click on upward direction. Now lintel slab thickness is 3 inch. So again offset, give offset distance 3 inch. 3 inch lintel slab thickness. Always remember roof slab thickness is 4 inch and lintel slab thickness is 3 inch. Okay. Now this is the lintel slab 3 inch thickness. Now I take projection from charger projection. Okay. So Excel, vertical. Now click here, mark on charger and click on this side charger. Okay. Now extend the lintel slab towards the charger. So extend, select this line, also select this side line and extend this side, also extend this side. Now I'll trim the extra lines. Trim, select this, trim this and trim this. Okay. Also first I'll create this side window. This is W1. Okay. So let's check the dimension. W1 is 4 feet height into 4 feet length into 4 feet 6 inch height. Okay. So take a rectangle. W1 is 4 feet into 4 feet 6 inch height. See, this length is 4 feet. Okay. So 4 feet length into 4 feet 6 inch height. So take a rectangle REC. REC is the shortcut key of rectangle. Now specify first point here. Right click, go to dimensions. Specify the length 4 feet. Enter. Now specify the height 4 feet and 6 inch. Enter. So this is the window Okay, so delete these two lines. Okay, these two lines no more required, so delete these two lines. Okay, so now I'll create the charger projection. Okay, this is the charger. So give offset distance 1 feet from this line. Okay, from this line, click here. Now take a rectangle, set the first point here and second point here. Okay, now delete this line. Now trim this. Here to here, this is trim this middle line. Okay, delete these two lines also. So we have created the charger also. Okay, this is the charger. Now give offset distance 3 inch. Select and click on this side. Okay, now this is the charger. This is the window is created. Okay, this is the W1. We have created W1. Okay, so now this is the ventilator V. So ventilator size is 2 feet length into 1 feet height. Okay, so take a rectangle again, REC, enter. Same procedure, 2 feet length into 1 feet height. Okay, REC, enter. Now specify first point here. Right click, go to dimensions, specify the length 2 feet, enter. Now specify the height 1 feet, enter. So this is the ventilator. Okay, now delete these two lines. These two lines are no more equal. So delete, as we have already created the ventilator. So give offset distance 2 inch. Select and click in inner side. Click to inner side. Okay, so this is the ventilator. Okay, now here I'll create the staircase. Okay, I'll create the staircase. So on front elevation we can see the riser only. Okay, so this window and ventilator I'll mirror to this side. Same size is same. Okay, so select and select this. Simply I'll mirror this. This is the midpoint. Make ortho on. Click. Enter. So this side window ventilator also created. Now trim all the extra lines. Sorry, delete all the extra lines. Okay. So now I'll create staircase. So I'll create the staircase here. So trim. Select this line and select this line. Okay, I'll trim the lintel slab. Alright. So here first I'll create this staircase. Okay, here these are the treads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers of treads. Okay, these are the 10 numbers of treads. Okay, so here we'll see the riser number of treads plus 1. So 11 numbers. One side. Okay, one side is 10 numbers. So both sides 20 numbers of treads. Okay. So this calculation, how to calculate number of rise and treads, you can see my previous video. So I'll copy this text. So here total trade is total trade. I'll measure. Let me see. Take linear. Here this point to this point. This is total trade 10 feet. Okay. So total trade is 10 feet. Alright. Now length of one trade is 9 inch. Desired unit rise is 6 inch or length of one rise 6 inch. So number of threads for one flight. Okay, for one flight number of threads are 10 numbers. Okay, for one flight number of threads are 10 numbers. Now how to calculate number of rise and threads, you can see my previous video. Okay, you can see my previous video. So number of riser for one flight, number of threads plus 1, so this is 11 numbers. Number of threads for one flight 10 numbers and number of riser for one flight 11 numbers. Alright, so this calculation you can see in my previous video. Okay, so total trade is 10 feet, length of one thread is 9 inch, length of one rise is 6 inch, and number of threads for one flight 10 numbers, number of riser for one flight 11 numbers. Okay, so let's start the drawing. So I'll start the drawing as per this calculation. Okay, so see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers of threads this side, and the side also 10 numbers of threads. Okay, so 10 numbers, and this other side also 10 numbers. Total 20 numbers of threads. So I'll keep steps as current layer. So now take Excel. Okay, now vertical lines. Click here and click here. Okay, alright. The length of one rise is 6 inch. On elevation we can see the riser. Always remember this. On trade we can see on plan, and elevation we can see the riser. Okay, so give offset is a 6 inch. Okay, so click. Now I'll trim this first. Select this and select this. Now trim this and trim this. So this is the riser. Now I'll create another riser. So give offset distance 6 inch. Okay, so number of threads for one flight 10 numbers, so number of riser for one flight 11 numbers. 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is 11 numbers. Okay, so 11 numbers of riser we have created. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so these are 11 numbers of riser we have created. You can see this. Okay, so here extend this line. Now here we can see only one side risers. Okay, this side riser we can't see. Okay, due to the slope, we can't see this side riser. Okay, this side riser we can't see, so trim the extra lines. Trim this. Trim this. Also trim this. Now trim this. Delete this line and delete this line. Okay, so here we can't see this side riser, only we can see this side riser only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 numbers of riser we can see on this side riser, and this side riser we can't see. Okay, this side riser we can't see, only see we can this side risers. Okay, these are 11 numbers of risers. Okay, number of riser for one flight, 11 numbers. Okay, so threads 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers of threads. See, I am showing everything very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. See, on this side also 10 numbers. Okay, 10 numbers. Okay, 10 numbers of threads, and riser is plus 1. Number of threads plus 1, 11 numbers of riser in one side. Okay, so one flight is 11 numbers. Alright. So now this is the staircase. Now I'll create these steps, ground level to plinth level steps. Now this is the W1. This is ventilator. We have created this. Now staircase also we have created. Now I'll create the front elevation of this steps. Means we can see these are the threads. Okay, now we'll see the riser here. These are the threads. So Excel, vertical. Now click here and click here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers of threads. So riser will be 5 numbers. Okay, 4 numbers of threads. So riser will be 5 numbers. So length of one thread is 9 inches. Okay, so desired unit rise is 6 inch. Length of one thread is 9 inch. Desired unit rise is 6 inch. Okay, so give offset distance 6 inch. Same procedure. Select, click on upper direction. Now trim. Select these two lines. Trim this side and trim this side. So I have created one step. Now I'll offset from this. So give offset. Give offset distance 6 inch. Now select this line. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 numbers of riser we have created now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here 5 numbers of riser. Thread is 4 numbers. So delete these two lines. Okay, now I'll extend. You can see here. Okay, now extend this line. Select this line and extend this side line. Also extend this side line. Okay, so see, these are the threads and these are the riser. So hope you understand how to create the riser in front elevation. So we have created the staircase. See, this is the staircase. So give offset distance 1 feet and 6 inch. I'll create the slope here, veranda slope. Now click to this side, also click to this side. This is the veranda slope I'll create. Okay, now trim. Trim this and trim this. Also trim this and trim this. So this is the veranda slope. Okay. So give offset distance 3 inch. Select this line and click on upward direction. Again, give offset distance 1 feet is 6 inch. I'll create again this. Okay, again click to this side, again click to this side. I'm showing this again. Okay, so select this line and select this line. Now trim this and trim this. This is the veranda slope. Okay, you can see this. Now give offset. Directly I am taking 6 inch. Okay, now again offset 3 inch. Alright, now trim this line. Also trim this line. Delete this line. Now take line command. Join this line to this line and join this line to this line. So here to here this distance is 6 inch. Okay. Now this is 3 inch. Okay. So you can create this slope in different ways also. Okay. So due to this slope we can't see this much length. Okay. So I need to trim this. Okay. Due to this slope we can't see this. All these things will be on their place, but we can't see due to the slope. Okay, so trim this. All right, so you can see the staircase, veranda slope we have created all. Now I'll create the parapet wall. Okay, so give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Select this line and click. Okay, again give offset distance 3 inch. Select, click on upward direction. See, I am showing this very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, extend the wall line. Okay, select this line and extend this line. Also extend this line. Okay, now close this line and close this line. Okay, trim this and trim this. Okay, now I'll change the layer. This is roof layer. Okay, I'll change this to roof layer. This is parapet wall. Select and change the layer to parapet wall. This is parapet wall. Okay, so this is the parapet wall. This is the veranda slope. So now this is 3 inch. Give offset. This is 3 inch. Parapet wall, this projection is 3 inch. Now trim this. Okay, this is not 6 inch, this is 3 inch. Okay, now delete this. Now here Excel, vertical, click here and click here. You can see here, as there is no wall, we can see the thickness. Okay, here, so give offset distance 3 inch. Select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now trim. Trim this line, trim this, trim this. Okay, so this is the parapet wall of that portico. We can see this parapet wall on front side. Okay, so this is the parapet wall. Okay, this is the parapet wall of this portico. The roof will be come towards this. Now we can see, then this is the turning shape. You can see this is on front side, this parapet wall. Here, click here and click here. Here, from here and another side. Okay, these two. Here, okay. This parapet wall you can see first from front side. Okay, parapet wall of veranda or portico. This is 3 inch. This is also 3 inch. Same thing. Okay. Okay. So you understand. I'll hatch this. We'll select earth. Make the scale suppose 40. Add pick point. Click inside. Click inside and click inside, enter. Okay, so this line and this line, I'll make this little thick, 30 mm, so that it will be visible properly. Okay, so this is the front side parapet wall, and you can see so I'll hatch this. This is the slope, veranda slope. Now I'll take box. Keep the scale 25. At pick point, click inside, enter. Okay, so draw a line. Take a line command. This is the window. Now draw another line on midpoint. Okay, now give offset of 1 inch to each side. Give offset distance 1 inch. Select, click to this side, and select, click to this side. So now I'll copy this. Instead of creating again, I'll copy this to another window. Copy and paste here. No need to create again, so delete this. Okay, you can create the complete window first, then mirror this. Okay, same thing. I'm just creating everything very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. So see, you can see here. You can see everything. Okay, ventilator, window. You can check these are the charger projection. Okay, so this is the ground floor front elevation. So hope you like this video. Now if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.